Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to review what we talked about. So we talked about compression and package management. We said that compression is used to compress the information we want to either store or send over to somebody else. Here's the review of the most important commands. We use gzip file name and gunzip file name for archiving or unarchiving files ending in the .gz extension. We use tar cvf archive name .tar file1, file2, file3, and so on for creating a tar archive file, and we use tar xff archive name.tar to extract the tar archive. To update our package list, we use apt get update, and we need to prefix all of these with sudo, so keep that in mind. We use apt get install package name to install packages from a package repository, or we can use dpkg with the I option, package file name, to install a package from a file. We can use sudo apt and then with the purge option, remove package name to remove a package. And then we can use, after we do that, we can use sudo apt purge. Let me see what I have here written. Sudo apt purge auto remove to remove the dependencies of the package. Okay, and to upgrade my packages, I can run apt get upgrade. Okay, and one thing I forgot to mention, and I really wanted to mention this, I don't know how I failed to think of this when I was composing this tutorial series, is actually that some tutorials will actually ask you to edit a certain file, and that file contains the repositories from which your operating system is looking for packages. And that repository file is called sources.list. So let me actually use the find command. This is a great time for us to recap the find command, okay? And we'll have to prefix this with sudo because we will start the search from the root. And what we will do is we will look for, actually, you know what? I'm going to use the locate because I don't know the exact name of the file. So I'm just going to use sources and press enter. Okay, wow, this is a lot of sources. Let me just see if I can remember. I definitely know it's nowhere here. I think it's somewhere in the etc folder, if I'm not mistaken. And I really had a lot of results here. Let me see, is there, oh wow, this is really a lot of files. Okay, so let me try to see if I can locate the file sources list. Yeah, I think it's this file. Okay, so let me just open that file with nano just for you to see what's inside. Press enter. Okay, so basically this is the file you will have to edit if somebody tells you that you should add certain repositories for your operating system to search for them. Okay, so this is the file you edit in. Okay, and so basically I just wanted to mention this because I failed to mention this in the previous videos, and just as I was doing this review, I was like, how did I forget to mention that? Okay, and I want to mention it before we get to the next section. Okay, so if somebody asks you to edit the etc apt sources.list, that actually means that he wants you to tell your operating system to look for packages in some other sources. Now, if you are actually looking for packages and sources which are not official, and you know these are, for example, these from the bind.org are official repositories, you can also look for packages on some other websites. You should consider if that's a good idea. Okay, because if it's not an official repository, maybe that package contains some, maybe that repository doesn't contain packages which are checked what that means is that packages are safe, etc. Okay, so just a word of caution. Usually nothing bad will happen, but just kind of like putting it out there as a word of caution. Okay, so I think I'll add this to my written copy when I am. I think I'll add this to the written copy right now when I finish the recording this tutorial. And yeah, I think this is like really complementary. My written copy, my videos, the other stuff I do, I think it's going to be, bleeding into one another. I really like it. Okay, so yeah, this was it for this review. I hope that you liked it, and I hope you'll stay with me on this amazing Linux journey. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye.